So now, for the moment that I was waiting for, I want to invite the Chief Content Officer of Hindi Mass Entertainment, the extremely beautiful, sizzling, stunning, gorgeous, intelligent, beautiful Manisha Sharma. इतना शर्मा मत, ये सब true है. Hi Manisha, how's it going? How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
I'm good. I'm in Austria. I'm shooting for Tiger. I'll be back in time for your 2nd October grand opening. इस बार ये जो जंगल में रहना है कंटेस्टेंट्स को, ये आइडिया आपको मेरी तरफ से तो नहीं आया था?
Salman, you have a beautiful farm and a beautiful forest surrounding the farm, and you are a handsome farmer in there. This idea has occurred to my creative team only to be a little more voyeuristic, and you know how twisted my creative team is. So the thought of putting them through a jungle is basically to just trouble the contestants and get great entertainment for the viewers.
So you're going to put all our contestants, Sadasyas, into so much of sankat in the jungle.
Of course, Salman, we need a lot of sankat in the house to make entertainment for our viewers. We need to give them a lot of challenges. And of course, that's what Sheetal wants, that's what the team wants, and that's what will help the show to put them through a lot of challenges.
I want to know, हर साल आपका दिमाग कैसे चलता है कि आप हर साल नया कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आते हो इस शो के लिए?
We have a very, very good team in colors. The non-fiction team, I think, is one of the best we have in the industry. Then we have, of course, Endemol, who's partnering with us for many years now. Of course, the format is the mother of all formats that we have. And I can easily tell everybody here who's listening in today that we have looked at the format of Bigg Boss across the world, and our content in India by far is, you know, if not comparable, better than what I see on in the rest of the countries. And in rest of the countries, the season is not so long. And we managed to do a very long season with celebrities in them. So really hats off to the team. And I would say it's all got to do with the creative people making the show.
और 2020 को हमने जवाब दिया, 2021 ने हमको रिटर्न मारा. अब इस बार 2021 को रिटर्न मारने के लिए ये जो पेड़ लगाए हैं आपने जंगल में, ये रियल हैं या आर्टिफिशियल हैं?
This, if you mean that this tree breathes and it thinks and it consumes, of course it's real. It's going to put out all the challenges in the jungle. It's going to complicate their life. So of course it's real, Salman.
ये सबको पता है कि बिग बॉस की आवाज है, बिग बॉस की एक आंख है, लेकिन इस बार आप लेके आए हैं विश्व सुंदरी को. ये क्या है?
As a part of the temptations in the jungle, we have a beautiful temptation tree. She's all that we've been looking at, watching, wanting. In our growing up years, we've seen her, but she's come in the form of a Vishwa Sundari to us. She's going to tempt, she's going to delude, and she's going to confuse all my contestants this year. So please come and watch to know what is Vishwa Sundari. So also I want to add that this year, we have the twist is of the jungle. They have to survive the jungle. They'll be deprived of many things. They have to earn a lot of things. If they want food, they have to earn it. They'll have a lot of temptations in the jungle, as I just told you. We don't know where they're going to find space to sleep in the jungle. We don't know, depending on how they behave, they will get the quantities of food, they'll earn their benefits. And there is a way out of the jungle into the house, but they have to literally build it and walk through it. And there will be full moon nights in the jungle, so you can imagine what's going to happen in the jungle. It's going to be very exciting.
तो ये जो आपके OTT पे आया है 6 हफ्ते, वो उसके contestants भी इस घर के अंदर जाएंगे या यहीं पे खत्म होता है?
OTT has been a very big move on our part, and it's paid off very well for us. OTT is now becoming very big. Voot is becoming very big for us. So Bigg Boss definitely rests there very beautifully for us. And we've had a very good season, which has just ended. Of course, the top few contestants definitely will be seen on the season of Big Boss. They've earned their place in the house. So the top few contestants who made it in the top 4, top 3 definitely have earned their place in the Big Boss television version. And as you can see, every year it's not about who the contestants in the house are, though we struggle with getting the right mix of contestants every year. It's about how the chemistries work out in the house, how the equations develop or not develop in the house, and how it all shapes up when they all come together. So you can only go by your experience of the previous years, and you hope to hit bullseye every year. But we'll have to just wait and watch. But we are trying to put together an exciting bunch of contestants this season, along with our top few contestants of OTT, Voot, Big Boss. So really looking forward to the season on Big Boss. It's been always very nice. We get a lot of appreciation from our viewers in the form of ratings, and we feel very blessed and grateful that despite it being in its 15th season, it's a very big brand and continues to become and be a big brand for the platform. So all the best to all of us. I don't think anybody realizes, though I keep saying it every year, we have a humongous team which works behind the scenes. It's just a huge crew. There are contestants. There's a creative cell of Colors, Endemol. There's entirely our entire marketing, digital. There's like, I would say, over 150 people, 200 people who are working on their shows round the clock to make the show a big success for you all. Despite us being in our 15th season, this brand is very big for us. It continues to get us good numbers, and we hope that we can continue to entertain you all. Salman, hope to see you soon on the first day of shoot. And really jealous that you're in Austria shooting. But all the best to all of us, and thanks to all our viewers to continue to watch us.
Thanks a lot.
Enjoy.
एंड नहीं हुआ ना, एंड नहीं हुआ. अब इसके बाद हम जाएंगे एंडमॉल के पास. एंडमॉल के सीईओ से बात करने जा रहे हैं, मिस्टर अभिषेक रेगे से. रेगे साहब नमस्कार, कसे आहेत?
Hello sir, all good. How are you?
All good अभिषेक. अरे मला सांगा, इतने सालों से आप बिग बॉस कर रहे हो, आप थकते नहीं हो क्या?
सर, आपकी एनर्जी भी हमको मिलती है, तो उसी वजह से बहुत सारा एक्साइटमेंट रहता है. लाइक द फैंस, वी आल्सो लुक फॉरवर्ड टू हैविंग यू बैक एवरी ईयर. लाइक यू सेड, नजरों से नजरें मिलाने के लिए, आंखों से आंख मिलाने के लिए हम लोग रुके 8 महीने टू कम बैक फॉर द 4 मंथ्स.
लेकिन मेरा काम तो टीवी पर का है, वो मैं देखता हूँ एपिसोड जो पूरे हफ्ते का 2 बार देखता हूँ, और फिर मैं आके स्टेज के ऊपर जो मेरा करना है वो मैं करके चला जाता हूँ. लेकिन आपका काम बैक एंड का काम है. आपको कास्टिंग से लेके वो सेट से लेके इतना टेक्निकल इतना है, वो कैमरा के कनेक्शन, वो मी टीवी के थ्रू, इसके थ्रू, दंगल में, वो सुल्तानी अखाड़ा में, हर घर के हर कोने कोने के अंदर. बाकी आपने कोई भी कोना नहीं छोड़ा है बिग बॉस के घर का. ये टेक्निकल वायरिंग जो है आपको वाइड नहीं कर देती?
सर, इट इज ऑल्सो, हर बार एक लगता है कि जैसे शो खत्म होता है तो लगता है टीम को भी कि थक गई है, अब ब्रेक लेना चाहिए. बट जैसे ही 1-2 हफ्ते और निकल जाते हैं, विड्रॉल सिम्टम्स शुरू हो जाते हैं. वी लुक फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट सीजन. द लव दैट द ऑडियंस गिव्स, द काइंड ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट दैट कम्स ड्यूरिंग द शो, we're all looking forward to it again, and everyone's gearing up for the next season already. So by the time we're done, we're looking forward.
And I think this is one of the biggest shows that we have in our country.
Absolutely, sir.
So and it's a huge tatamjam. I understand that case mein from your edit, online edit, फट ये वो, फिर it must be एकदम, इसीलिए बाल गिर रहे हैं शायद.
सर, वो और इनको थोड़ा और लाइट भी चाहिए था. But I must mention the team, sir. It's been doing a lot of work in the back end, like you said, and kudos to the entire team who's been working on ground. They really make this thing work.
Yeah, you know, one day we should show all the fans, the Big Boss fans, that start होने से पहले इस घर को सजाने में, इसकी वायरिंग, लाइटिंग, कैमरास वगैरह प्लेस करने के अंदर आपका एडिट सेक्शन, आपका वो जो
PCR,
स्टोरी एडिटर्स वगैरह वगैरह, DOPs, वो 3-3 शिफ्ट के अंदर, योर कैमरामैन वो गली के अंदर, ये सब आपको ना दिखा देना चाहिए ताकि हमारे फैंस ये पीछे के टेक्नीशियंस को भी एडमायर करें। अगर वो नहीं होते तो चांस ही नहीं होता बिग बॉस का।
बिल्कुल सर, बिल्कुल। होपफुली सून विल डू दैट।
एक बात बताइए, 2020 में पैंडेमिक था, अभी भी है, तो सेफ्टी एंड प्रोडक्शन के हिसाब से ये डिफरेंट है, आपने एहतियात और बढ़ाया है इस साल?
सर इस टाइम चूंकि थोड़ा टाइम हो चुका है, लोगों को थोड़ा कैजुअल होते हमने देखा हुआ है, जिसके वजह से सेकेंड वेव भी हुई थी। बट वी डोंट वांट टू लेट आवर गार्ड डाउन। द ओनली डिफरेंस इज लास्ट टाइम whether we wanted to show it or not, there was a bit of apprehension, थोड़ा fear था सब में कि कैसे होगा। अब पिछला सीजन सक्सेसफुली करने के बाद हमको थोड़े लर्निंग्स भी मिले हुए हैं, so we are following all those protocols. As against testing continues.
Vaccination दो बार होगी?
Absolutely. So as against testing only, yeah, vaccination has happened twice for most of us. We've taken care of almost all of our team, except very minuscule कुछ 2-4 होंगे जिनको हुआ, जिस वजह से उनका timing of vaccination has gone ahead. Everyone else has 98% are vaccinated. So we are in a much better state, but we will still want to follow.
Anyways, that means before we start, everyone vaccinated, double vaccination सबके हो जाए.
Yes, absolutely.
तो अभिषेक, tell me, जब ये टीवी पर शो आएगा, टीवी पर on Colors,
right sir,
तो जंगल में पूरा सीजन घुमाओगे या घर भी दिखाओगे?
नहीं सर, थोड़ा सरप्राइज रखा हुआ है घर पे। It's actually supposed to be a good surprise for the viewers, so the less I speak the better, but rest assured, Umang Kumar has once again done a fantastic job of the exterior and the house.
He's damn good.
Yes sir.
Yeah, he's damn good at his job. But when you enter the house, okay, it's a very beautiful, super vibe to it. लेकिन धीरे वो घर आपको काटने को
grows on you literally.
Yeah. Thank you, Abhishek. You, Alok.
Thank you so much, sir.
Come back. Take care. Bye.
Thank you.